this one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I will.
What's up, guys? Here with a little review on this new peanut butter cereal milk protein. Now I do have my water ready, and let's give it a try. Now I haven't had it yet. I did open it already, but I haven't had it. I used to have the cereal milk one, but I ran out, so now it's time to drink and see how it tastes. It does smell like peanut butter. I already smelled it. It smells like peanut butter. Now it doesn't taste like peanut butter. Now, but here's the scoop. It is a huge scoop. Well, at least, maybe it's just wide. But put it in my cold water because I don't like my protein warm. Now, let's see how well it mixes. I think it's closed properly. Let's put that over there. It's closed properly. Okay. Now it does mix well. There's no clumps or anything involved. Now I do have another protein that I bought at GNC, and the thing I don't like about it is that when you mix it with cold water, it clumps up, and it's just weird. Time to taste this. Ugh, fucking amazing. This shit is fucking good. I give it a 10 out of 10. It has 140 calories, 1.5 grams of fat. Sorry. 1.5 grams of fat per serving, 4 grams of carbs, and 26 grams of protein per scoop, which is not bad. And let's see. This is amazing. Now, I'm not saying it's a 10 out of 10 just because it's Ghost. And if you can see, I use Ghost all the time. I'm just saying cause it's good. This one is really good. 10 out of 10. Peanut butter cereal milk. Okay. Cereal milk, on the other hand, is, what can I say? 8 out of 10, almost a 9. Now this, on the other hand, Warhead's watermelon. It's a 10 out of 10. Or a 9. Just so I'm not as biased. Now this, on the other hand, the Fruit Punch pre-workout, I say a 4 or 5 out of 10. It's not as great. It just has a weird flavor. It doesn't taste like Fruit Punch. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it does. It's just, I don't know, it's just weird. So what I usually did, it already clumped up already. I don't know why. But anyways, one thing I did with this was shotgun it. Tastes like Fruit Punch like that, but other than that, protein, cereal milk, peanut butter is a 10 out of 10. And it's amazing. Until next time.